Ever seen a tree branch blink? That's not a branch, it's the Potoo bird, one of the best camouflage masters in the animal kingdom. With feathers that look just like wood and the ability to stay completely still for hours, this bird is almost invisible in plain sight. Even crazier, they can sleep with their eyes slightly open, so they stay alert for predators. And at night, they turn into something out of a ghost story, making eerie calls that echo through the forests of South America. Creepy, but fascinating, right? Don't forget to subscribe for more amazing animal facts.